beauties, this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique? Actually, these are all summer seasons, and according to our Indian climatic condition, we are going to update new varieties in kurti concept, and all or 99% it's going to be cottons, and the concepts are three different concepts we have right now. One will be a full gown type. The second choice will be like kurta with plazo pants or parallel pants, something like that. And the third will be only kurtis. Let's start the show. The first thing is this, the same thing. There are sizes, M, L, XL, double XL sizes. So according to your size, you can select your choice. Alright, and this is the second choice. It's a black color. And see, this is a full type gown model, and it is a cotton with a mirror work, tiki works here and there, and it's very good for the summer season right now. And the second concept is this. These are all full lengthy concept. See this. So, all right. A full gown concept, just like that you can wear this, and we have all different sizes in that. You can tie it according to your if you want to give a chic look kind of, you can tie this rope on both the sides or back side, however your taste. And this is also a long type model. This all will not come with a side slit. This alone comes with a side slit, in spite of gown pattern kind of. All the four materials which I am about to show, these and those, are all stitched ones. All don't come with a side slit. It comes like this way. This comes with a side slit. See? And the fabric is different. It's a modal fabric. The rest of the things are cotton. Modal are also very comfortable, and it gives you really a slim fit look. And this is also a full model type, and this is also a modal fabric, and you can find such a beautiful concept. It is all like it gives a kind of floral look all over, and kalamkari style, and this is the type, and you have got sizes in this. The next concept is this. This comes with a kurti and pant. See this. This is the top, and this is the pant. Usually when such pant comes, when your concentration is more on your pant, just select the next size. For example, if you are S size, then go for M size and make a little bit, you make the top alone little bit tight where the pant fits. And Indian standard pants comes in this way only. So be smart in selecting your sizes. And this comes this way, and it also comes with the dupatta. And then see this kurti concept. This is the floral top, all nice cottons, these are all, and this comes with a parallel pant. Very comfortable and best for this summer season. Such a lovely color it is. It all block prints. This is the top, and this is the floral pant. Very nice and fine cottons, these are all. See this. And this is a modal. The fabric is modal, and you have a mild godapatti work on the neck, and this is the pant, modal pant. So these are all slim fit, and once again see, this is a fine cotton black. Lovely piece it is, and this comes with the cotton pant, parallel pants. So what's next? Read the description carefully and then place your order. And then this is the cotton top, and then this comes with the pant. And once again, a cotton stuff. See this, and this is a cotton pant, parallel pant. All comes with the parallel pant. It's very comfortable because of the climate. It's little looser also, so that it is very good for our Indian climate. All are greens now, bottle green color, so pretty ones. Greens are now in the trend and most wanted color, and this comes with a printed pant. All are parallel next, see this cotton top with a slide slit, and then this comes with a plazo loose cotton pant. Alright, and then what's next? Next variety is only kurti without pant and dupatta or set wise. It's just a kurti. See, this is a denim kind of fabric. It's not pure one. It's a denim kind of fabric. Only kurti concept. And then the second is this. It's so nice. The color is so beautiful. And this is the top, and it will stretch. So it gives you a perfect fit. And I have got one more color in this, rose color. It suits everybody, and the fit is so nice in this. And then see this indigo color, and it's a cotton kurti. So this comes this way, and all are nice colors with beautiful mild prints. So this is the top. All are, see, the print is so nice and amazing. All over design. We have got all the sizes. So according to your size, place your order. And my all-time favorite, and this time in a very different color combination. So nice it is. And see this all-time favorite. It's just a kurti, and have got one more color in this. It's a deep green color. All comes with a mask. Only top. These are only top concept. And see this so lovely pretty one. Only top it is. And then see this. Cottons all are so nice and lovely. Only top it is. And this is also all over design. Pure white. Comes with a beautiful hand embroidery. And blue color, 3/4 sleeves, kurti concept, only kurti. Nice colors. And my last piece is this embroidery. It comes with a hand embroidery on the neck, stripe model, and yes. Alright, done. Hope you enjoyed seeing our collections. We'll be back with lots and lots of more collections. Especially this week is going to be cotton week because of our Indian climatic conditions. Stay tuned. Thank you so much, and bye.